Hello everyone, my name is Karuna Singh. I was searching something about STM journals on internet and I found something very special which I want to share with you all. Let's see.
So here's the site I've come across is researchcollaboration.elsevier.com, and it talks about scientific, technical and medical journals, and it says that Elsevier Research Group has various kinds of partnerships and it has a collaboration with STM Journals, an imprint of Consortium E-Learning Network Private Limited. There are various profiles. I'm not sure what these files are all about. It has certain projects also, but seems that STM Journals, which is an imprint of Consortium E-Learning Network Private Limited, and it has a website called stmjournals.in in India as well as stmjournals.com for global audiences. This is just for an information which I am sharing with you all. Thank you.